going on? All roads are leading to Mall Road, are full of people who are partying, and this is where what you see is a glimpse of the Christmas merriment which is currently on, and this is where all you see is the roads are filled with youth who are enjoying, and the temperatures are no deterrent. Remember, it's 5 degrees. Late in the night and morning, it can also be minus degrees. It did snow for a while. There was the traffic jam for a while. But meanwhile, those who have made it are really enjoying this. So this is a gala celebration going around. And now if the camera person shows you a 360-degree angle, what you'll see is not just the colorful lights, not just all shops which are full. There are also people who are really enjoying. Remember, now there is a dance here, and somebody's come from Manipur, somebody's come from Ahmedabad, Delhi, Bombay. So here it is, a whole lot of people who really enjoying this. आप लोग कहाँ से आए हैं?
बनारस से काशी
काशी से आए हैं। हाँ? तो काशी से यहाँ पे कितना फर्क?
बहुत एंजॉय कर रहे हैं इस पल को हम। हाँ,
पहली बार आए हैं?
नहीं ये सेकंड टाइम, लेकिन ये ठंडी के मौसम में पहली बार है। इससे पहले आज हुआ।
आप लोग कहाँ?
चंडीगढ़ से है।
आप
हाँ जी।
तो यहाँ पे किस तरह का आप लोगों को माहौल दिख रहा है खास तौर पे?
बहुत मजा आ रहा है, बहुत मजा आ रहा है, बहुत अच्छी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन।
ऐसा क्योंकि चंडीगढ़ में कई कॉन्सर्ट्स हुए हैं हाल फिलहाल में, तो उसके बाद अब जो दिख रहा है हम लोगों को वो यही है कि इस तरह का फ्री कॉन्सर्ट है ये तो।
वहाँ पे सब लोग तंग हो गए थे, इतने धक्के खा के वहाँ पे जा के, पर यहाँ पे हम अपनी मर्जी से आ सकते हैं, अपनी मर्जी से नाचो जब जाओ। ऐसे भीड़ नहीं चल रही, भीड़ है पर फिर भी जगह है काफी।
तो यहाँ बल्ले
पूरी बल्ले बल्ले हो रही है। क्रिसमस डे,
मेरी क्रिसमस। छोटे छोटे बच्चे भी हैं और आप देख लीजिए सब लोगों ने ठीक ठाक कोट जैकेट पहने, क्योंकि तापमान जो है खास तौर पे वो इस वक्त काफी ठंडा है। और आपको बता दें 5 डिग्री हो रहा है इस वक्त, और माहौल में गर्माहट है क्योंकि लोग पार्टी सीन एंजॉय कर रहे हैं। इसके बीच में सुखविंदर सुक्खू ने, जो कि मुख्यमंत्री है, उन्होंने एक he's made a very important statement. The statement is that if there's somebody who is really in a drunken stupor, should not be put behind bars, should instead be taken to their hotel. So merriment definitely, but keep the area clean and sanitized. And this is where they're encouraging more and more tourists. And remember, it's already jam-packed. As far as the visitor and the tourist rate are concerned, it's skyrocketing. But meanwhile, there's a 80 to 90% occupancy rate in Manali and even on the outskirts. So a big celebration there. And remember, this is going to continue up till New Year's. A big celebration underway. But meanwhile, what we also see is the temperatures plummeting. And yes, the western disturbance may be here in a day or so. So 27, 28, we do expect another bout of snowfall, which is a light snowfall as such. But remember, just a bit of snowfall, this actually brought in a lot of joy and enthusiasm to the tourists. And now it seems all roads in Himachal are leading up to its favorite destination spot, which is Manali. And this is where people rejoicing. And let's just have a look again at the visuals and really see this is how the party being celebrated here. And this is Merry Christmas from Manali. With camera person Chandi, this is Kamaljeet Sandhu signing off.